Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. First off, I would like to give a big thank you to Nail Reserve for sponsoring today's video. They did go ahead and send me some gel polishes to try out and show you guys, so let's get right into it. I was so excited upon opening the box to see these bright and beautiful colors. They are absolutely perfect for spring and summer. I can't wait to swatch these for you. Nail Reserve are vegan gel polishes, and they are absolutely high pigmented colors, and you would only need one coat, but I am going to go ahead and swatch 2 coats just to get the full effect of each color so you can see. Nail Reserve did kindly provide me a 50% off discount code for all of my viewers for you to go ahead and use on their website. I'll go ahead and be sure to leave that linked in the description box as well as on the screen, so you can go ahead and save 50% off 2 or more products from their website. The first color is this really pretty blue color called Mind Doodles, and I just absolutely love these gel polishes. The next color is this really pretty green color, and it's named Cactus Dream. Nail Reserve gel polishes are nice and thick, and they level out real nicely. Next color is this really pretty bright orange color called Scandalous. Nail Reserve gel polishes do not have a harsh smell to them upon opening their bottles, which I absolutely love. Next color is this really pretty bright yellow, and I absolutely love it. I really needed a good yellow, and this has a really nice pigment to it. I can't wait to use it. Last is this really pretty red color called Love Potion. I did swatch the colors off camera for you. This is with 2 coats of gel polish. Just look how amazing these colors are. I highly recommend you purchase these vegan gel polishes, and be sure to click the link and use my discount code to save you some money on your order. Now for the design, I will be using my 2XL square full cover nail tips from Shein. They are pre-buffed, so no need to apply any primer or base coat. I will be applying this pretty pinkish nude color from Temu, and I will apply the second coat off camera, and I'll cure for 60 seconds in between each coat. Now I'm going to use my 91% alcohol to clean my 20mm liner brush in between the colors, and I'll apply a little bit of each color on my nail art palette, and then I'll go ahead and begin creating my French tips. First, I start off by outlining the smile line where the base color starts, then I'll outline the sides of the nail, and then after that I'll go ahead and fill in the rest of the tip with the applicator brush, and I'll cure for 60 seconds. For the pointer and ring finger, I decided to go ahead and apply 2 coats of that same nude color from Temu all over the entire nail, and then I cured for 60 seconds in between each coat. I decided to give the French tips an even more pop of color by adding a thin outline over the smile line with a different color. Here's how the nails look so far. Now I'm going to use my dotting tool and start creating the flowers. I just added 5 dots for the petals and wanted to make sure that I incorporated all 5 colors on these accent nails. So I'll go ahead and cure for 60 seconds after I finish with all the petals. Now I'm just gonna take my dotting tool and use it to apply a single dot in the middle of each flower, and I'll be sure to use a different color with each flower, and I'll cure for 60 seconds. I did go ahead and fill in the empty spaces with a tiny dot so it wasn't so bare. Here's how the nails look so far. I think they look so adorable. I did want to show you how the colors looked with the matte top coat, so I did go ahead and apply a layer of my matte top coat, also from Nail Reserve, and cured for 60 seconds. These bright colors look so pretty with a matte finish, but I did want to go ahead and show you the colors glossy also. So I did go ahead and apply a glossy top coat from Nail Reserve as well on the French tips, and then I cured for 60 seconds. If you've made it this far in the video, go ahead and leave a flower emoji in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe to be entered into the giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers. Make sure to leave a comment down below if you're feeling generous. And here's the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed the video today. Thank you again to Nail Reserve for these beautiful gel polishes. Be sure to check out their website link in the description box, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more nail content. I appreciate all of you. Be sure to like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.